Black Lightning, the Book of. This show has always been one of my favorite Arrowverse, one of my favorite CW shows. I like it. It has incredible storytelling. It has incredible special effects. I didn't think they were going full on, lightning the way that they're doing it, but they are, and it's cool. He's not the only one. It's him, his daughters, his wife. His wife is the sister of the Green Lantern, the Black Green Lantern. So John Stewart. So I'm thinking, he's the John from Arrow. So he's got to show up sooner or later. At the end of Arrow, he found the green ring, so he's a Green Lantern. So he's got to show up with all his superpowers. So he's probably going to show up once or twice and get a spinoff. But anyway, I like this show. I like Lala. Great villain. At the beginning, he was just a gangster, and you would think, well, it's Black Lightning. What's a gangster going to do? But he's in charge of the largest gang in the city, way bigger than the other gangs, and he now has a superpower, kind of a science, kind of a voodoo type thing. He can absorb people's life energy, and they become a patch or a tattoo on his body. It's crazy. I like him better now with the superpower. Plus, he's like evil, and I think a good villain needs to be evil, but not just evil. You got to have something that made you evil, so that it draws the audience in. Killmonger, he was evil, but he had a reason to be evil. Thanos, he was evil, but he had a reason to be evil. And if you've got a reason to be evil, you're probably not going to do the right thing, because you've got a reason to be doing the wrong thing. Tobias Whale. I dig Tobias Whale in this show also. I don't know, he's not as menacing to me now as he was originally. And that's bad, because I was wanting him to be the main big bad, but I'm not sure that he's going to be. I think he's going to be one of those guys in the background that's constant. He's always around, but he may not be the main focus. He recently acquired the ability to shrug off Black Lightning's lightning power. So I'm wondering what he's going to do about that. The season so far has been really good, really good, but I think the big thing that, if you watch the show especially, the big thing that's happened recently is China, and probably written at the bottom of the screen, she's no longer with the show. She either left or was given the axe. Either way, she is gone. And she has been replaced in a very clever way, mind you. She's been replaced by Laura Kariki. I know I'm butchering that name. But she's been replaced by another young lady who, as far as I could tell, this is like her first real acting gig. And she's on Black Lightning, so she lucked out. But the way that they replaced the actresses, is they said that the one girl, China, was using her power and triggered an explosion and she blew up. But since she is basically energy, she blew up, reverted to her energy form, was trying to pull herself back together, couldn't. They absorbed the energy, brought her back to the lab. They helped her absorb herself back into herself, I guess, changed her energy into matter, and she became human again. When they took her out of the matter energy machine thing and they brought her out, they took a look at her, she had a new face. So she reconstituted herself, she reformed herself, but she accidentally didn't give herself the exact face she had before. So now she looks different and sounds different because it's a different actress. But for the show, she just looks different. There was a clever way to replace the actress. In fact, that was a main story. There were two stories that were happening, basically. That's the main story of that episode. So now Black Lightning's best friend, one of his best friends, Lieutenant Henderson, I believe his name was, he's dead now. He died a few episodes ago. And he got replaced by a woman who has a mad on for all of the metas, all of the gangs, especially Black Lightning. So she wants to get him. So he's got to deal with that. I think he may be getting an anger and a drinking problem. So he's got to deal with that. Him and his wife are not getting along. He's got to deal with that. The family's got problems. They got a lot of problems, man. And that's one of the things that makes this show interesting. It's not just a superhero running around, you know, hitting people and his words over their head, da-da-da-da-da, you know, stuff like that. There's actually a story that goes beyond the mask. And I dig that. For superhero type stuff, when they go beyond the mask, I dig that. I dig it a lot. I dig it so much that I am going to give Black Lightning, at least so far, eight bags of popcorn. Man, 8 bags of popcorn. That's what I think about that. But more importantly, what do you think about that? Now that you've seen the show, or at least we've talked about it here, let's talk about it in the comments. And as always, if you like the video, if you like the content, subscribe. And then like.
Popcorn passport. Get your popcorn passport.